Hi, Linda here. Today I thought I would show you how to make your own like hard cover for a journal or book that you want to make. So you can see here you just cut like this sort of hard board that I actually am just recycling. I got that board from the back of like a pad of note paper. So it's a really thick type of like matte board or cardboard. So you just want to make sure it's something that's really strong so that it doesn't bend. And what I'm doing is I cut it into size, and I have even the spine area there, and you see that I glued it onto the leather a little bit spread apart so that it gives it room to basically close properly in the spine area. And what I'm doing is you can see that I glued in each corner because basically I want to cover like that corner of the hardboard. Sometimes if you don't do this, you'll see like part of the board exposed, which is sort of ugly. So if you glue in all four corners, then glue the sides and the tops, then you will be able basically to have a fully covered board. And then on this sort of top area, you just put another sheet of either decorative paper or other material to sort of cover it all up. And this is basically how you normally would make like a hardcover for journals or whatever type of handmade book you might be making. And it could be like even be like a binder or a journal that you're going to poke holes in and like bound in your signatures. Really, it can be done for a lot of different uses. Or I know some people that create this sort of really strong hardcover and then they put like envelopes, like they glue envelopes in the beginning to just have pockets to put things in. So it could be like a snail mail type of idea as well. So basically, I'm just sort of eyeballing here and pre-scoring like the paper that I'm going to be cutting and gluing on top of this whole thing. So basically I have this thick painting paper like cardstock cut to size, and I'm just going to glue that on top. That's going to finish off this do-it-yourself hard cover. Excuse the intrusion of my baby girl, but she was there and just sort of wanted to introduce herself, I guess. But basically, once you have this finished, you can like put it under some heavy weights to make sure that it completely dries flat and is ready to go. And basically you could see it's already scored. The covers have this sort of like the corners have this bulk to them because they're all covered up, and you have this like really strong hard cover for your journal or book or happy mail or whatever it is that you might be working on, which is really nice. You can do this with leather, with paper, with fabrics, with really anything that you can cover up the board with. And you know, the thicker your board, obviously the stronger and bulkier it gets to be, but you do want something sturdy enough so that it could be like a hefty hard cover. So that's the hardcover all finished. I just wanted to show you sort of my process of creating this so that you can see that it's a really easy process and you can do this in any size with all types of materials and make yourself a really strong, sturdy hardcover that you can use in many of your bookbinding and paper projects. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, make sure to subscribe. Until next time.